3 bad aging habits that make you look older, how to fix them in time. Time marches on, and while embracing age with grace is admirable, sometimes our own habits can accelerate the aging process, making us look older than we actually are. Beyond genetics, daily choices significantly impact our skin's elasticity, the vibrancy of our eyes, and our overall vitality. The good news is that many of these aging culprits are within our control. It's not about chasing eternal youth, but rather optimizing our well-being and presenting the best version of ourselves at every stage of life. Are you unconsciously sabotaging your youthful glow? This article dives into 3 common bad aging habits and provides practical strategies to turn back the clock, or at least slow it down, before the effects become irreversible. Let's explore how ditching these detrimental habits can lead to a healthier, more radiant and confident you. Forget expensive creams and invasive procedures for now. Let's address the root causes that are aging you prematurely. 1. Neglecting sun protection, the silent wrinkle creep. The sun, a source of life, warmth, and wrinkles? Unprotected sun exposure is, hands down, the biggest culprit in premature aging. Ultraviolet (UV) radiation from the sun damages collagen and elastin, the proteins that give our skin its structure and elasticity. This damage leads to wrinkles, fine lines, age spots, hyperpigmentation, and a leathery texture. Think of it like this: the sun is slowly but surely dismantling the scaffolding that holds your skin up. Many people only think about sunscreen when they're at the beach or pool, but incidental sun exposure, like walking to your car or sitting near a window, adds up over time. Cumulative sun damage is the real enemy. How to fix it? Make sunscreen a daily ritual. Integrate a broad-spectrum sunscreen with an SPF of 30 or higher into your morning routine, rain or shine. Apply it generously to all exposed skin, including your face, neck, ears, and hands. Choose the right formula. Look for sunscreens labeled broad spectrum, meaning they protect against both UVA and UVB rays. Consider your skin type. Oil-free formulas are great for acne-prone skin, while moisturizing options benefit dry skin. Mineral sunscreens, zinc oxide and titanium dioxide, are excellent for sensitive skin. Reapply, reapply, reapply. Sunscreen breaks down with time and activity. Reapply every 2 hours, especially after swimming or sweating. Set a reminder on your phone if you need to. Seek shade. During peak sun hours, typically 10 a.m. to 4 p.m., seek shade whenever possible. Use umbrellas, wear wide-brimmed hats, and choose sun-protective clothing. Don't forget the eyes. UV exposure can also damage the delicate skin around your eyes, leading to crow's feet and cataract. Wear sunglasses that block 100% of UVA and UVB rays. Examine your skin regularly. Early detection of skin cancer is crucial. Get familiar with your moles and freckles and consult a dermatologist if you notice any changes in size, shape, or color. By taking proactive steps to protect your skin from the sun, you can significantly reduce your risk of premature aging and skin cancer. It's an investment in your long-term health and appearance. 2. Chronic sleep deprivation, the tired and aged look. Sleep isn't just about feeling rested. It's a critical period for cellular repair and regeneration. During sleep, your body produces human growth hormone, HGH, which helps maintain skin elasticity and thickness. When you consistently skimp on sleep, your body produces more cortisol, a stress hormone that breaks down collagen and elastin. This leads to wrinkles, dark circles under the eyes, and a dull complexion. Sleep deprivation also weakens your immune system, making you more susceptible to inflammation, which can further accelerate aging. Furthermore, lack of sleep impairs the lymphatic system's ability to clear toxins, leading to puffiness and a tired appearance. The term beauty sleep isn't just a myth. It's backed by science. How to fix it? Prioritize sleep. Aim for 7 to 9 hours of quality sleep each night. Make sleep a non-negotiable part of your daily schedule. Establish a consistent sleep schedule. Go to bed and wake up around the same time every day, even on weekends, to regulate your body's natural sleep-wake cycle, circadian rhythm. Create a relaxing bedtime routine. Wind down before bed with a calming activity like reading, taking a warm bath, or listening to soothing music. Avoid screen time, phones, tablets, and computers, at least an hour before bed, as the blue light emitted from these devices can interfere with melatonin production. Optimize your sleep environment. Make sure your bedroom is dark, quiet, and cool. Use blackout curtains, earplugs, or a white noise machine if needed. Avoid caffeine and alcohol before bed. Caffeine and alcohol can disrupt your sleep patterns. Avoid them several hours before bedtime. Exercise regularly. Regular physical activity can improve sleep quality, but avoid intense workouts close to bedtime. Consider a sleep supplement. If you struggle to fall asleep, consider taking a natural sleep supplement like melatonin or magnesium. Consult your doctor before starting any new supplement regimen. By making sleep a priority, you'll not only look younger but also feel more energized, focused, and resilient. It's a powerful anti-aging weapon that's completely free. 3. High-sugar diet, the sweet path to wrinkles. That afternoon treat might seem harmless, but excessive sugar consumption can sabotage your skin's youthful appearance through a process called glycation. Glycation occurs when sugar molecules bind to proteins like collagen and elastin, forming advanced glycation end products, AGEs. These AGEs damage collagen and elastin fibers, making them stiff and brittle. This leads to wrinkles, sagging skin, and a loss of elasticity. A high-sugar diet also contributes to inflammation, which can further accelerate aging. In addition, sugar can exacerbate skin conditions like acne and eczema, leading to skin damage and premature aging. Sugar is a sneaky culprit, often hidden in processed foods, sugary drinks, and seemingly healthy snacks. How to fix it? Be mindful of hidden sugars. Read food labels carefully and be aware of hidden sugars in processed foods, such as sauces, dressings, and cereals. Look for ingredients like high-fructose corn syrup, sucrose, glucose, and dextrose. Reduce sweetened beverages. Cut back on sugary drinks like soda, juice, and sweetened coffee and tea. Opt for water, unsweetened tea, or sparkling water with a squeeze of lemon or lime. Choose whole foods. Focus on eating whole, unprocessed foods like fruits, vegetables, lean protein, and whole grains. These foods are naturally low in sugar and packed with nutrients that support skin health. Control portion sizes. Even natural sugars found in fruits can contribute to glycation if consumed in excess. Moderate your fruit intake and pair it with protein or healthy fats to slow down the absorption of sugar. Use natural sweeteners sparingly. If you need to sweeten your food or drinks, use natural sweeteners like stevia or monk fruit in moderation. These sweeteners have a lower glycemic index than sugar and won't cause the same spike in blood sugar levels. Embrace savory options. Train your palate to enjoy savory flavors instead of constantly craving sweet. Experiment with herbs, spices, and healthy fats to add flavor to your meals. Consider anti-glycation supplements. Some supplements, such as carnosine and benfotiamine, may help reduce the formation of AGEs. Consult your doctor before starting any new supplement regimen. Reducing your sugar intake is not only beneficial for your skin but also for your overall health. It can improve your energy levels, reduce your risk of chronic diseases, and help you maintain a healthy weight. Turning back time, a holistic approach. Addressing these 3 bad aging habits, neglecting sun protection, chronic sleep deprivation, and a high-sugar diet, is a powerful way to reclaim your youthful glow. It's not about chasing an unrealistic ideal, but rather about making conscious choices that promote health and vitality at every age. Remember, consistency is key. Small, sustainable changes over time will yield the most significant and lasting result. By prioritizing sun protection, prioritizing quality sleep, and reducing sugar intake, you're investing in a healthier, more radiant, and confident you. So, ditch the detrimental habits and embrace a holistic approach to aging gracefully. Your skin, your body, and your overall well-being will thank you for it.